That's true, definitely not Mechanic's nature. His plates are literally paper plates. We're out here at the Topsey TCCRA race. This was actually put on by Brandon and his dad as the promoters. They built the track, hand built it for the past year. They've been working on it. Some parts of the track they've been working on the past 10 years just for their own, you know, enjoyment. And then they were like, hey, we should promote a race for the cross country riders, have them come out here. That's what we like to do, and you know, maybe make a little money off of it and have fun with a bunch of people that we like. And that's exactly what's happened. It's been a great time. It's Sunday right now. This is race day. I got out here Friday night. We've been helping out with the track, riding around, fixing stuff. Last night we actually had to fix some pieces of the jumps in the middle of the night, so you're definitely going to see some footage of that. Stick around for the rest of the video to see some awesome motorsports. somebody fucked up one of the jumps. It's like 11 at night and we're gonna go fix the jump. Look at this guy right here. Made all this happen. been out here spending thousands of hours on this motherfucking track, making this a sweet experience. And up until the final golden moment, he's out here fixing jumps. What amazing fellow.
Said it's been difficult, but it's been fun. But I would do it every day. Every day. It's awesome. It's held up decently well.
Yeah, that one looks pretty flush on the top.
The landing's held up nice.
So right now we're checking out the jumps out here to make sure that all the doubles are in order, because essentially this is a cross-country track, but there's also a motocross section. I like to get a little bit wild, so we're just checking the track, make sure there's nothing bad. You know, we've got like a rock here. Fuck that rock.
This is why nobody's up there partying. All the shitheads are out here fucking up the track.
There's people in side-by-sides out here on the track. I guess they're probably just
in the jumps.
I think they're probably checking it out for some recon for tomorrow's race.
Sure,
but
they're out here smoking their doobies.
For some reason the scumbag took the doors off.
Oh, you know. Man shitheads.
That's what we are now, is just full-time shitheads. I know this is different content than car stuff, but I don't have a job anymore, so I'm just gonna do whatever's fun. And you guys are gonna get that as entertainment from now on. This is the fella that raised Brandon, his father. He's out here, he's been working countless hours on this track with just this little tractor. And he's out here in the middle of the night fixing this track for the race tomorrow.
This jump probably took a total of about 40 hours to build, bringing dirt from about a half mile away on the other side of the property. And it's a lot of work.
They actually dug a trench through the property for water drain off and used most of the dirt from there to build some of these jumps. And they had to haul it pretty far with this tractor. Not a big fellow at all. And look at the spectacle of people parked around here. There's folks all over here and all over here just watching him put this track back together. With this being his first race with this association, and first race that he's ever put on ever on a track that he built himself, this is super impressive. This is a true dedication to the fun and the art and just motorsports in general. This is the type of owners we need for properties and tracks and stuff like that. The people that have the dedication to come out here in the middle of the night before a race to fix something that was messed up in practice. That is badass. Brandon.
Oh wait, is he going back? You might be going back. He's going back.
What is this thing?
Huh? That's a pole saw. Part of a pole saw.
You get your pole